Alright, my people, welcome back again to another Boge crazy update for Babake TV. Now, as before we start the story, we carry us coming, my people. I been make una like this video, share, comment, at the same time. Follow me on my Facebook page as Babake TV. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, una go to see at one time. Alright, thank you very much as you kindly do that. And may we proceed that the story will carry us coming, my people. Una no say time. My people, first of all, our brother or our sister, whether they call Bobrisky, don't come and say, I call apologize to Toto Dike because and also of recent this girl or this guy, they always get problem. And they call Toto Dike out because of small issue where they say the girl just they saw the girl, the lady from social media anyhow. Now she don't come outside, maybe she don't realize say or he don't realize what he they do say it don't make sense. Now he don't they try to call apologize. Why they call her he or she because of say now as they be the thing, the game or the guy matter, they really they confuse person because of the way the package says so. You don't know whether you go corner he or you go corner she. That's why the thing they really they confuse my tongue, they confuse my head. According to she, as she just take come outside for show me the of recent Conte apologize. She say I humiliate you here, so it's a must I come back here to apologize for calling you out. Honestly, I didn't know what came over me, but I later realized I was wrong. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. Yes, I might have been there for you as friend. The truth is you were also there for me at some point of my life. Please find it in your heart to forgive me once more. We necessarily shouldn't be friends no more, but let me apologize for calling you out. To my fans and to Toto fans, I am sorry many of you are disappointed at me. Please forgive me, and I promise never to repeat this no more. So she don't come out, he or she don't come outside. Now don't they apologize to Toto Dike, and I hope say Toto Dike just forgive him or she just to let everything go just like that. So now so she just take come outside, he just take come outside, Conte apologize to the public, say may they forgive him for calling Toto Dike out just to use some kind bad words for her. And I said and the same Toto Dike still help him or her out for some kind of point. Don't be saying only him or she help Toto Dike out. Alright, my people, make una drop una comment and opinion below. Make una tell me what una only reason concerning that apology. Whether she just they pretend to use that or she will still repeat what she still they repeat. So, but she says she don't go repeat that word again. Make we enter another story we carry us coming, my people. Now no say time no day. Alright, my people, at the same time, make una check out this our brother where they call Mr. Jollof. This guy don't boss account, they tell us the way the economy of the Nigeria account they go so say a lot of things that they go wrong. Of which 6 small apple wey be say he buy today for the sum of 3,000 naira. This small apple wey they show us. So the thing really surprised me. I don't know since so this just stay they go worse this and every day. And now they advise a lot of people say may you try create small garden for your house. May you still plant fruit if you be person wey be say he love fruit. Alright, my people, make una check out what this our Nigerian musician talk concerning guys where we say they don't take care of their guy, of their woman, of their girlfriend. According to this guy, he say make we men they try to take care of our girlfriend because the way you they take care of your girl, now so other girls go they even they like me they try to mingle with you if you break up with this girl. Make una listen to the video, make una see the way the guy tell yarn the matter. Make una drop on a comment on opinion below. Oh yeah, verificate.
Spoil your babe. Spoil your babe. Now, let me tell you why. You're not doing it for her. You're doing it for who? You're doing it for yourself. Let me explain. Now, when you spoil your babe, what's going to happen is that her friends will see it. They say, oh my God, he bought you this, he bought you this, he bought you this. Her friends will now tell their own friends, and that's how your name will be moving in the streets. I'm not saying that you should cheat though, or you should go and do something with your friends, with your babe's friend. I'm not saying that. But if you guys should ever break up in the future and you're single, you know, babes already know what you're like. They don't hear your name for streets. So spoil your babe. You're not doing it for her, you're doing it for yourself.
All right, my people, I don't see the video, the way the matter take be, so the way the guy take talk the issue. Me, I really agree with the guy because love money, really. Some guys, they will be say, the more you they show love to your girl, the more you they buy some kind of gifts. Even some of your friends go, they use body, they want, maybe they color you so that, maybe they even snatch you, come up for that, their friend hand. And I say, tell me if we even break up with this girl, the way some girls go, even they like to want be into your life because they don't say you not guy will be say they try. So because of that, I really like what this guy talk, and I really pick a lot of point for what he really talk. And I believe say with that, make some guys they try to take care of their girlfriend, and that it really makes sense because the more your woman they attractive to you, the more evil people go evil they respect you because of why you they try. When someday will be say the Lord they try to even take care of their girlfriend, and it still depend on how the girl really still they represent herself, say it really they caring to you to still they assist you. All right, make una drop a comment and opinion below. Make we enter another story where carry us comment, my people. And no say time. All right, my people, make I play this video for now. Make we first listen to the girl story. This our Nigeria actress. How person take scam all her life savings, claiming say he be reverend father, he be pastor, all her life savings. This girl just lost all her life saving to this scammer, pretending to be a man of God, or in the name of they expect miracle. And waiting miracle, they do a lot of people will be say they made tons of people to the poverty state. Will be say the day up to today. Will be say many people no one use their sense. They believe say now waiting they ask for God, now God go really give them. For them to wake up in the morning alone is one of the first miracle for their life. Make I play the video for una make una listen to this our sister as it narrate how this reverend father or this scammer they scam all the money wey be say she dey save all her life saving. Make una watch the video, my people. We are verificate.
On my way going back from location, an elderly man came across to me and asked me if I know a way to Divine Hospital. And I told him I don't know anywhere in Asaba, apart from the places I go for work. Then I said he should wait a minute. He should just give me a minute. Let me go nearby and ask someone so that the person will come and direct him. And I went to a shop. I asked the guy if he knows somewhere that is called Divine Mercy Hospital. He said yes. I said, please come along and give this man the direction. But he's stranded, and he said he has someone that is about to die in the hospital. Then after that, the guy now came and gave the man the direction. So I now decided to go a little away from that place to get something for myself to eat. The man now came with his car and said I should stop, that he has a vision for me. He saw a vision for me. I said, okay, I'm listening. He said, my mom left 3 years ago. True or false? I said, true. And my dad died when I was a little. I said, yes. He said I should not worry, that today marks the end of my suffering because he has seen that I've been struggling since my mom left. I said, yes, sir. He said I should wipe my tears, that everything is going to be all right. After that, he now said I should just wipe away my tears. I said, thank you so much. He asked me if I'm a Christian. I said, yes, I'm a Christian. He now introduced himself as a Reverend Father. Reverend Father Jude, that's what he calls his name. And said that he saw a miracle going to happen on my way. That God has already answered my prayer because I have been suffering for long. So he now said, okay, do I have my ATM? I said, yes. He said, a big amount of money is going to enter my account. That is the way that God wants to wipe away my tears. I said, I believe in God. He told me that he loves that. He loves people that love God. He now said I should bring out my ATM. So he will pray on top of that, my ATM, so that the miracle will manifest. I brought out my ATM. He now prayed. Asked me to pray also. I prayed with my pure heart. He now gave me a paper, said I should wrap my ATM. I wrapped the ATM. He now said he now laid a prayer on that ATM and said from today, I'll be seeing miracles. God have already answered my prayers. I said, thank you so much, sir. So he said I should put down my ATM inside my small purse, that I should not bring it out, so that all these boys walking around in the night will not collect it from me. I said, okay, sir. I put it inside the bag exactly the way he told me. Then for me to enter KK from Traffic Junction and reaching Access Bank Junction, I saw a debit alert. I was like, what did I do with my money? Because I didn't go to anybody, I didn't go to POS. I was just cross-checking that in my memory, and I saw another debit alert. Behold, this man just debited my lifetime savings. Money I've been saving all this while. He just collected it from me for no reason. Immediately I got home, what I saw in the exchange of my ATM card was this. This is what I got in place of my ATM. I cried, and I know that crying won't solve the problem. I also went to the bank. They said they can't do anything, even if I take the case to the police people.
All right, my people, show now don't see the way the story take go. So whether na juju, all those people they use till they talk to person, me I don't know. But me and they imagine how you actress like the way be say you don't even know a lot of things like this they happen. I don't know why some people go just they want they based on anything miracle, because person don't tell you small story about your life. You don't even think whether this person don't go even pass your back, they gather a lot of information concerning you before it come your way, just to come scam you of this thing, and really you just keep for the scamming. But apart from that, some people really get mind share for person life savings. You just come scam this girl, this innocent girl, where before you even know her story, say this girl really gets that she really struggle for herself to survive. But all the life savings of this girl, you just still get mind to scam the girl. Una no go work, and una will just still want the one way person don already work finish, may una still collect am for the person hand. Any person where they do this kind of thing, na only God na him know wetin he go take judge una. Na just my own, na just be that. But I believe say this thing go really teach a lot of people lesson wey be say they go really learn from this. All those things wey una go just dey believe miracle. Let's go say bring out your ATM card, miracle money go enter. Bring out your phone, miracle money go enter. Sister, money where you no dey expect, money where you no work for. As Nigeria be so, even money wey be your own, wey be government dey even dey seize and dey shop, and also talk of where miracle money wan for enter your account wey you no work for. Abeg make una try get sense. I believe say this thing go really teach a lot of una sense. Abeg make una drop una comment and opinion below. Make una tell me wetin una really reason concerning this girl story. May we enter another story wey carry us coming, my people. Una know say time. My people, before I end this video, make una check out this video of those Nigeria copper, or those copper wey be say they do some demonstration for their carnival. Those their culture, everybody they try to represent the culture. So I believe all those people on another side, you see the way some copper take form themselves, like say they be cow. For you to know, say those people that they really represent this cow well, they respect this cow well. And I believe say the Baba way be say they need the country. If you first say this thing, say go just say yeah, now this kind thing, now it just define. But like to lie, those are my first citizen, because the cow so now be the second citizen of the country. Show now by ourselves no say cow now touch not my anointed, now it be for Nigeria. So as those people just they represent this thing, see the way people they hate them for showing themselves, they represent say cow is important for this thing. To the extent I even hear say those people say they even give them the best for the carnival so far for representing cow for the country. So now they see the video, now they play for now so the thing just still they play. I said that my people make una check out this wetin this our Nigeria businessman wey dey call Shina Pella talk concerning this BB Naija and the upcoming election wey be say e dey come. So according to this guy, he say, me thinking of how I can get the youth to replicate the drive and commitment they have for Big Brother Naija to the 2023 general election. That election would offer us an opportunity to take the destiny of our nation into our hands. There will be no incumbent president or the ballot. It's a recent period for Nigeria. I think we can achieve it because nothing is impossible. So this guy said the effort wey Nigeria youth dey put for this BB Naija, dey support Boma, dey support Tega, dey support this one. So if una put that effort together, this 2023 election wey dey come, so we go fit use that effort take fight comot all those bad leaders comot for position wey be say dem dey so, and this thing go bring new Nigeria wey be say e go work for me, e go work for you, e go work for everybody. To the nation, Nigeria no go ever remain the way all those old leaders dey treat am again. And I believe say who get sense, e go really try take advice from wetin this guy dey really dey talk. E go really pick sense for wetin this guy dey really dey talk. But I know say if that election come now, some people dey go even buy them with 500 naira, 1,000 naira, they buy their future, they buy their future, the future of their own children sef. They no go even send. Now may they just eat, may they just clean their mouth, now be their own. I bet my people, now the end of the story be that, and the end of the video, now just be that. So make una drop una comment and opinion below, and thank you very much for watching. If now today be your first day, I bet make you like this video, share, comment, follow me on my Facebook page as Babake TV, subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, when I go to see at one time. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, my people. Peace out.